Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some surprise happy mail. This is coming from our girl Elizabeth, who is Beady Bum Bum here on YouTube and Instagram. Girl, what did you do? She told me she was sending me something. I was expecting like a card or something. Not a whole box, woman. Elizabeth, thank you so much, my friend. You are too generous and very thoughtful. I really appreciate you thinking of me. But thank you. Oh, look at how pretty. Look at that gold tissue. Oh my God, I love that. Anyways, thank you so much, Liz. I love it. I'm going to get into it right now. And oh my gosh, so she hasn't been crafting for a while, and then out of the blue, she was knocking out these gorgeous Valentine's Day projects. Oh, oh, oh my God. Look at, look at how cute. Oh my God, it's so cute. You're too cute. Oh my goodness. Look at the foamy. Oh, gotta collect those. Yes. But look at what's on top. So cute. Little dainty itty bitty card. Oh. Galentine's mail. Elizabeth. Look at her beautiful writing. Love, love, love. I love this. Her butterfly. She's stickled or what is that called? Is it not stickles? It's the like a glitter glue or something, because it is so shiny. Look at that. So pretty. Liz, thank you. I'm gonna just prop him right here. So let me get everything out. Oh, what? Oh, look at you, honey. What is this? Oh, Liz. Oh, she promised me a die and she sent me this. Thank you so much. I'm going to put him right here. Let's see. She's been surprising some crafty friends here on YouTube and Instagram. Look at all this fun. Oh, yes, girl. I love these. I love these, especially for throwing in the packages, but mainly for embellishments. So guys, you could use them in different ways. Look at this gorgeous bag. It's a laced bag. Que la bonnière no envelope. I don't know what that meant. No envelope. I don't know. What? Woman, what? What? You guys just, you got to go follow Elizabeth. Oh my gosh. Her little Ashes, her little bunny, is the cutest. He's so naughty. But he's so cute. Oh my God. He is such a character. But Liz is such an amazing crafter. Look at all this goodies right here. What? What is all this? Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see. Oh, it's a loaded, oh no, it busted. It's okay, that's fixable. I just have to put it back together. So it was clipped onto something, probably this. But look at her heart. Look at them lips. She knows I love lips. Lips. Only because I wish I had lips, okay? So here, oh, you know what? You know what? I have these stickers and they're gorgeous. I just never know how to use them. And look at what she did here. She just applied it to the felted heart. She's got the pearl detail and the pom-pom. Oh my gosh, pom-pom trim. She's got another pair of lips there. This cute little bow and the three little oh, this is so cute. Oh, that's where you came from. Oh my gosh. She fell out. She fell out. I gotta reapply that real quick. Let me move this over here. I don't want to lose it, so just make sure I turn my glue gun on. This thing is loaded. Loaded. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I want to put this on my purse. Girl, this is going on my purse. Look at how, oh my gosh. Okay, I like how you put the heart, just attached it with some chain on there, and it looks so cute just like that. And oh, there's chocolate. Yes, girl. Pretzel rod chocolate. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Thank you. So this is what her loaded, oh, it's a box envelope. Okay. That's what it looks like in the back. She added the little grommet so we could hang our dangle. I can't even imagine. Okay, Liz, I'm just gonna pull it all out. Oh, I didn't even see this. Look at the lace. This is a cute heart trim. Oh girl, where'd you find that? That is cute. Okay, all right, let's open her up. Oh, how cute. Even when I thought I got it all, there was still a little bit more. Look at that. Hugs and kisses. These are stickers, guys. Hugs and kisses. This is like washi, like a washi sample sticker. Very cute, Elizabeth. And there's the pocket. She just had this little shred down in there. How cool is that? Look at how cute. Okay, I'm gonna put her right here. I want to fix this because it's distracting me. All right, there. See? Oh, I missed that. She put those little itty bitty bling on the roses. Let me see if I could get it to focus. There. Look. Attention to details. Hello. That is gorgeous. I love that idea. Okay, we've got a little lolly. Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna put it with the monkey. Oh my gosh. And then the foam hearts. Okay, raise your hand. How many of you have hauled this and always forget to use them and put them in your Happy Mail? Me. We'll put him with the monkey. Oh, let me show you what these are. So they're little, they look like mermaid tails is why she was giving it to me, because she knew I love mermaids. But they are cute. It looks like little Hershey bags more now that I'm looking at it. But Elizabeth, thank you. Those will go to good use. I will put them to work. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's loose. Oh, I love it. I get to use it. She die cut these. I think this is from her cutting machine. Love that red. You know, you can never find the right shade of red. Well, I can never find the right shade of red. Always on the hunt. Look at this. Oh, she was using her little... That is cute. That's perfect for cards. I'm always thinking like dimensional. And all she did was she kept it flat. She just layered it on there. And it gives it just enough dimension. So it's just a little thicker. How pretty. And then I love how she has this. Oh, wait, where did this come from? She used the stickers and the Dollar Tree trim. Oh, my gosh. And this lace. How delicate is that? Oh, my gosh. Love it. I'm going to clip you right here so I don't lose you. And then these. Oh, I got to take these out. Yes, girl. Yes. Oh, she's giving me life. Look at this. These are adorable. Okay, so she used some die cuts or fussy cuts or something. And then she has this, what are these called? Embossing tape. And she added a sequin and then just the hearts and then little tiny details of the pearls on here with the teeny tiny bows. How cute. I love this idea. Oh my gosh, I love it. Elizabeth, girl, she be taking breaks and then coming back in like with a fury. Look at this. This is so cute. Oh, I love it. And then her pen. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Don't we all struggle with these bags? Or is it just me? Oh, there you go. Because I'm trying to open it where it's not an opening. Look at this beautiful pen. Oh, yeah. Love it. And the bag, too, is pretty cool. sparkly pen. And then she's got the bead spacers. Oh my gosh. With the pearl. This is a beautiful pen. Oh my gosh. And then the lips. Yes, girl. Yes. And then she just opens up like that. Very twister. Very cute. Oh my gosh. I love this, Liz. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. So I'm going to put her here. I want everything visible. Oh my. Okay, so here, oh, there's another pick. I love these. These are going to be so useful. Oh my gosh. So look at her bag topper again. So she's got the eyelet lace trim. She's got one of the wood veneers. And then she's got the puffy heart here. And then right on the lace, she's got this heart dangle with a little pearl and a little bling. Oh my gosh, this tiny little bling. Such a perfect touch with a ball chain dangle. Oh my gosh, Liz, this is so cute. And she used the eyelet. I've done that too. That is so fun. Love it. And so she got the Dollar Tree XOXO. I might be wrong. It might not be Dollar Tree, but it might be also Dollar Tree. I don't know. And she did the puffy heart. Oh, let's take her out. She did the heart. Oh my gosh. Guess what? I made all those hearts and I gifted all of them. And I have none, but you know, it's so easy to make. I didn't realize this is a heart. This is a heart. How cute. Oh my gosh, that could go in my purse too. This is such an amazing Happy Mail. Elizabeth, oh, this is so fun. Thank you. And then she's got this loose little love. Oh my gosh, I love these die cuts. I love these die cuts. Oh my goodness. All the fun. She shared all her fabulous crafts that she created. Oh, this, I got to take it out because these are gorgeous. I got to take it out. So she made the heart rosette. I don't know if she used a die or you know, you can also make these by hand. But I think I don't know. I don't want to say how she made it because they're cute. They're like perfect. And she's got the glitter heart here. She's got a little hugs tag. How sweet is that? She's got the roses and there's an itty bitty clay heart there. She added another one here. And these are the layered hearts that I was playing with. These are also from Dollar Tree, or hers might be from Hobby Lobby because they're a little thicker. She used one of the pennants on the front here. And then the lips. I don't know where she got these lips. These are stickers. She's got a little star sequin there. It's perfect. The glitter heart on top. And then she's got a red heart here. She's got the glitter heart. This wonderful, beautiful, which reminds me, I think she shared some sentiments with me. I got to find those and pull it out. This is perfect. Like, that's an itty bitty sentiment. Those are stamped and die cut. And then she's got the little clay heart on there. What a beautiful touch. Elizabeth, Mamma Mia. This is all beautiful. Oh. And then look, she did the lips too. Oh my God, look at those lips. Oh, Liz, you did great, girl. Yes, bling bling on the iPads. Yes, I'm definitely gonna put this in my room. How cute are those? Definitely need to put those to use. Ah, she shared some pearls with me. Elizabeth, thank you. And then some, oh, this is pretty. I've never seen these. This is pretty. Thank you, my friend. Look at that. All this gorgeousness. Elizabeth, wow, my friend. You did so much. You did so much work. It's just, everything is just beautiful. And I really appreciate you thinking of me and sharing your wonderful crafts with me. I know it took a lot of time and, you know, we all don't have enough time in the day, us crafters. I'm just putting the little pearl here so it stays. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, Elizabeth. Thank you so much, my friend. This was such a wonderful surprise. I love every piece of love that you put here. It is not going unappreciated at all. I'm gonna set this little monkey up in my little tray display. Hopefully I can get it done before Valentine's Day. But thank you again, guys. I will leave Elizabeth's description links in the description box down below. Please go check her out. Show her some crafty love. She's been doing more crafts recently, and she's also had, I think, a few hauls. So go check her out and make sure you follow her. And if you're new here, welcome. Also follow us. Join our little crafty family. And let's have some fun together. This is so fun. And while you're there, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video and or when I go live. I can't stop touching this. This is the perfect yarn for this craft, guys. This is Dollar Tree yarn, the chenille yarn. If you find it at Dollar Tree, pick it up, because you can also wrap this on other shapes. It doesn't only have to be a heart. So think about that. So I love you guys. Thank you all for coming and joining me with this video. And I'm just, you know, too much talking. Anyway, love you all. See you on the next crafty video. Bye.